significance of derivative. F dash x is equal to limit del x tends to 0 f x plus del x minus fx divided by del x. Here del x is the increment of x. This is very small increment of x, but we can use this formula for determining the value of fx plus del x approximately by this method. So approximate value f dash x del x is equal to f x plus del x. So f x plus del x is equal to fx plus f dash x del x. This del x is not tends to 0. This has a considerable value, but in case of significance figure, we can use this as approximate value of x plus del x. Suppose you have to find the value of sine 46 degree. Say. At the function, we have to choose fx is equal to sine x. And x is equal to and fx is equal to, when x is equal to 45 degree, that is pi by 4, fx is equal to 1 by root 2. So we know this value. Now del x is equal to 1 degree, but we know that degree is, we can't use degree in calculus, so we have to convert it into radian. So 1 degree is equal to 1 into pi by 180 radian. Here pi is equal to 3.14 approximate. Now f dash x is equal to cos x. So f dash pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root. Now f x, that is pi by 4, plus del x that is equal to pi by 180 is equal to f pi by 4 plus f dash pi by 4 into del x, that is pi by 100. So f pi by 4 plus pi by 180, that is 46 degree, and function is sin x, so sin 46 is equal to f pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2, plus f dash pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, and pi by 100. So sin 46 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 plus 3.14 divided by 180 is equal to 0.7194. What is the actual value? The actual value is equal to 0.7193. So we can approximately take this value. Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Now differential. dy is equal to twice x minus 2 dx. This is differential. Now increment when x changes from 2 to 2.02. So x 2 and dx is equal to 0.02. So dy is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 into 0.02. So 0.04. So increment of y is 0.04, increment of x 0.02, and value of x is equal to 2. Suppose this is the length of the horizontal line, and this is a kite, and wind is blowing horizontally, so it should move in this direction. This is h, hypotenuse, and suppose this is x, and this is y. So y is constant. So h is equal to x square plus y square. H square is equal to x square plus y square. 2h dh dt is equal to 2x dx dt. Dx dt is the horizontal velocity of the kite, and if the wind moves the kite horizontally at the rate of mile per hour, okay, so dx dt is equal to 5, directly away from the man who is flying it. How fast the string, that is dx paid out at that instant? Y is equal to 200, a kite of 2 feet high. This is equal to 160 feet, and this is there at the feet of string out. This is 200 feet of string out. So from this relation you can get x. A man 6 feet tall walk away from the foot of a lamppost at a meter 15 feet high at the rate of 3 hours. How fast does his shadow lengthen? Okay. Suppose this is a lamppost and this is horizontal plane. Now suppose this is the man standing in front of the lamppost. Light is coming from this point and the shadow will be this. That means if lamppost is AB and man is CD, then DE is the length of the shadow. does his shadow lengthen? So we have to take the length of the shadow. Now it is given the speed of the man, so we will take distance from the lamp, as lamp is stationary, so velocity can be determined with respect to the lamp. So this is the position of the man with respect to the lamp, and let length of the shadow be y, this is y. Now from basic proportionality theorem, you can say that dE by BE is equal to DC by AB. dE, that is x plus y, divided by BE, sorry, dE is equal to y only, and B is equal to x plus y, is equal to DC. DC, that is height of the man 6 feet, and 15 feet. Okay. So 5y is equal to 2x plus 2y. 3y is equal to 2x. So 3 dy dx dy dt is equal to 2 dx dt. Dx dt is the speed of the man, and dy dt is the rate of increment of the length of the shadow. We have to find that value. Is equal to 2 into dx dt is given, that is 3 into 1760 into 3 feet per hour, 3600. This is dx dt. So dy dt is equal to 2 into 1760 into 3 divided by 3600. This feet per second. That is one of the answer. And another, how fast does the tip of the shadow moves? In that case, we have to take the distance of E from B. Suppose this is x and this is y. Y. A, B, C, D, E. Again, CD by CE is equal to BD by AE. CD is equal to x minus y, and CE is equal to x is equal to BD. BD, that is 6 feet probably, 6 feet and 15. Five x minus 5y is equal to twice x. 3x is equal to 5y. So 3 dx dt is equal to 5 dy dt. Dx dt, we have to find dx dt, and dy dt is equal to 3 mile per hour. Five into 3 mile per hour. So dx dt is equal to 5 mile per hour. This is a source of light, and this is ball, and this is man. So shadow, height of the shadow will be this. A light is placed on the ground 30 feet from a house. A man 6 feet tall walks from the light towards the house at the rate of 5 feet per second. So man is moving 5 feet per second at the rate of 5 feet per second, and that is placed 30 feet from the house. This is 30 feet. A man 6 feet towards the house at the rate of 5 feet per second. Find the rate at which the shadow on the wall is shortening when he is 50 feet from the ball. So this is 15 feet and this is 15 feet, total 30 feet. So we can take any one of the, this is 15 feet. So now A, B, C, D, and this is E. Fixed point A. So let AE is equal to X and CD is equal to Y. From basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AD by AE is equal to CD by B. Now AD is equal to 30. AE is equal to X. CD is equal to Y, and BE is equal to 6 feet. We have to find dy dt. Okay. 180 by X is equal to Y. So dy dt is equal to minus 1 by x square into 180 dx dt is equal to minus 180 x square, that is 15 square, into dx dt is equal to 5 feet per second. Negative for shortening the shadow, length of the shadow decreases. Let R be the radius of the circle. Therefore, A is equal to pi r square. dA dt is equal to 2 pi r dr dt. Find the rate at which radius is increasing after 200th second. Okay. dA dt is equal to 2 centimeter square per second. Okay. So dr dt is equal to 1 by 2 pi r into 2. Okay. Now, what is the value of r? After 2 and 2 whole 6 by 11 seconds, area will be 22 plus 6, 28. 28 by 11 second. Area will be into 2, that is pi r square is equal to 56 by 11, 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 56 by 7, 11. So r is equal to 7 into 2 by 11, 14 by 11. So dr dt is equal to 1 by 22 by 7 into 14 into 11. Zero 0.25 centimeter per second. The area should be measured with an error less than 2 square centimeter. How large a square can be satisfactorily measured? So area is equal to x square. So dA is equal to twice x dx. So error dx less than 0.01 centimeter and dA less than 2 centimeter square. So by putting this, 2 is equal to twice x into 0.01. So x is equal to 1 by 0.01 is equal to 100 centimeter. So x less than 100 centimeter. The radius of a sphere is found to be at the centimeter. R is equal to 20 centimeter with a possible error at all. dr is equal to 0.05 centimeter. Find the error, relative error, percentage error in the computed volume. So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV is equal to 4 pi r square dr. Now find the error. dV is equal to 4 pi into 20 square into 0.05 is equal to 400 into 4 pi into 41600 into 0.05, that means 880 is equal to 80 pi. Now relative error, dV by V is equal to relative error. dV 4 pi r square by 4 3 pi r cube is equal to 3 dr. Dr, that means 0.05 divided by r, that is 20. 0.0075 and percentage error, which is into 100, so only 0.75. ABC, the side C and the angle C remain unchanged, while the other sides and angles are changed slightly. Show that. So A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. These both are constant, so we can take this as K. So A is equal to K into sin A, dA is equal to K into cos A dA. dA by cos A is equal to K into dA, and B is equal to K into sin B. So from this, dB by cos B is equal to K into dB. Since C is constant, so A plus B also constant. So dA is equal to minus dB. Sum of three angles is equal to 180, constant, and C is constant. So A plus B is also constant. dA by cos A plus dB by cos B is equal to K into dA plus dB is equal to 0. So that the rate of change of its circumference varies as inversely and radius. Okay. So area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. dA dt is equal to 2 pi r dr dt. dA dt is equal to rate of change of area, and dr dt rate of change of radius. 2 pi r is equal to s is equal to circumference. So that the rate of change of its circumference varies inversely as its if the area of the circle changes uniformly. So dA/dt is equal to constant because area changes uniformly. Now S is equal to two pi r ds dt is equal to 2 pi dr dt is equal to 2 pi r dr dt into 1 by r. This is equal to dA dt into 1 by r. dA dt is constant, therefore ds dt varies as 1 by r. So rate of change of circumference varies inversely as its radius. Okay. Water is flowing into a conical vessel 24 inches deep and 12 inches in diameter at the rate of cubic inches per minute. How fast is the water level rising when the water is 10 inches deep? This is a conical vessel, radius. Now this is a depth of water. Now this is capital R and this is variable R, and this is capital H fixed constant, and this is small h. Variable. Now h by r is equal to h by r. So h is equal to h by r into r. This is from basic proportionality theorem. dH dt volume is equal to V is equal to 1/3 pi r square into h. dV dt, that is constant, is equal to 1/3 pi. We can put this in place of h. So r square into h by r into r d dt of, this is equal to constant pi h r 3 pi h by 3r into r cube, that is 3r square dr dt. dV dt is constant. Water flowing into conical vessel 3 inches in diameter, rate of 100 cubic inches per minute. This value is given. How fast is the water level rising? That is dH dt. dH dt is equal to h by r dr dt. So we can put this dr dt is equal to r by h pi h by r into r square dr r by h into dH dt. So r cancelled, h is cancelled, is equal to pi r square dh dt. dv dt is equal to. Now we have to find small r from this relation. Conical vessel 28 inches deep, that is capital H is 24 and 12 inch in diameter. So this r is equal to 6 diameter. At the rate of atho, dv dt is equal to 100 inches per minute. How fast is the water level rising when water is 10 inch deep? So h is equal to 10 inch and r is equal to, you can calculate r from this value and put this value. Okay, v is equal to x cube. X side of the cube and v volume. So dv is equal to 3x square dx. Gamma be the increase in volume of the cube of unit volume. So dx is equal to gamma by 3, and beta be the increase in area. S is equal to surface area 6a square. ds is equal to 12a x square 12x dx. Beta is equal to 12 into 1 gamma by 3. Just a minute. Surface, each surface, sorry, 200. So 3 beta is equal to 2 gamma. A radioactive substance is subjected to the law of natural decay. dv dt is equal to minus kp. Is equal to minus kv, where v is the volume of the substance at time t and k is the positive constant. The half-life of the substance is the time it takes for half the substance to disappear. Calculate the half-life of 20% of the substance disappear in 15 years. Now the limit. Limit initial volume V0 and 20% of substance disappear. That means 80% remain. So 0.8 V upper limit. And this is 0 and this is T. Okay. Log base E V V0 to 0.8 V 0 is equal to minus k t. So log (0.8) this divided by this, that is 0.8, is equal to minus in 15 years. Sorry, this is t is equal to 15 years. This is 15 and 15. 15k minus, sorry, 8 by 10, that is, so k is equal to 1 by 15 log 10 by 8, 5 by 4. Okay, this is k, value of k. Again v0 to v0 by 2 dv by v is equal to minus 1 by 15 log 5 by 4 integration 0 to t dt. This is log 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 15 log 5 by 4, and this is t. So log 2 divided by log 5 by 4 into 15 is equal to t.